Did you know that the average person spends 90,000 hours at work over a lifetime? That's a long time. And it's easy to let those hours slip by without taking care of ourselves. We grab takeout on the way home from the office, skip workouts when we're tired, and stay up late scrolling through our phones. But here's the thing, small changes can make a big difference. That's why I'm excited to share with you 10 healthy lifestyle hacks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These hacks are designed to help you prioritize your health and well-being, even when you're short on time and energy. We all know that maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be a challenge, especially when juggling work, family, and social commitments. We're constantly bombarded with information about what we should be doing, but it's often overwhelming and difficult to stick to. That's where these hacks come in. They're simple, practical, and effective ways to make healthier choices without turning your life upside down. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to forget about one of our most basic yet essential needs: hydration. We all know that water is crucial for our survival, but did you know that staying properly hydrated can significantly impact our physical and mental performance? Water makes up about 60% of our body weight and is involved in countless bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells, and flushing out waste products. When we're dehydrated, even mildly, we may experience a range of symptoms, including fatigue, headaches, dizziness, dry mouth, and difficulty concentrating. Remember, hydration is not just about quenching your thirst. It's about optimizing your health and well-being. Make water your go-to beverage and experience the difference it can make in your life. So keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to stay at your best. In today's fast-paced world, sleep is often sacrificed in the pursuit of productivity and endless to-do lists. But here's the thing, sleep is not a luxury, it's a fundamental human need, just like eating, drinking, and breathing. When we consistently skimp on sleep, we're not just jeopardizing our energy levels and mood, we're also putting our physical and mental health at risk. While we sleep, our bodies and minds are hard at work, repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and releasing hormones that regulate growth and metabolism. When we don't get enough sleep, we experience a range of consequences, including impaired cognitive function, reduced alertness and reaction time, and weakened immune system. So, how can we improve our sleep hygiene and prioritize restful sleep? First and foremost, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Remember, sleep is an investment in your health and well-being. Prioritize it, and you'll see improvements in every aspect of your life. In today's fast-paced world, time is our most precious commodity. We're constantly juggling work, family, social commitments, and personal aspirations, all while trying to squeeze in some semblance of self-care. It's no wonder that feelings of overwhelm and stress are all too common. But here's the thing, we don't have to be slaves to our schedules. Let's explore some effective time management techniques that can help us regain control of our time, reduce stress, and boost productivity. First and foremost, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify your most important tasks, those that will have the biggest impact on your goals, and focus on completing those first. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Large tasks can feel overwhelming, but when broken down into smaller steps, they become less daunting and more achievable. Learn to say no to non-essential commitments. It's okay to decline requests that don't align with your priorities or that will add unnecessary stress to your life. Remember, time management is not about doing more in less time. It's about making conscious choices about how we spend our time so that we can live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the virtual world and neglect the importance of real-life connections. We scroll through social media feeds, comparing our lives to the carefully curated highlights of others, and wonder why we feel so disconnected and alone. But here's the truth. Human beings are social creatures, wired for connection. Strong social connections are not just a nice to have, they're essential for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to live longer, have stronger immune systems, and have lower rates of heart disease, stroke, depression, and anxiety. Social connections provide us with a sense of belonging, purpose, and support, which can buffer against stress and adversity. Make an effort to connect with loved ones regularly. Schedule regular phone calls, video chats, or in-person visits with family and friends. Remember, nurturing our social connections takes effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. Make time for the people who matter most, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make new connections. Building and maintaining these bonds can lead to a happier, healthier life. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and distractions. It's no wonder that many of us struggle to stay present and focused. Our thoughts race from one worry to the next, and we find ourselves feeling anxious, stressed, and disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. But here's the good news. There's a powerful antidote to the chaos of modern life: mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment, without judgment. It's about cultivating awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the world around us, without getting swept away by them. One simple but powerful practice is mindful breathing. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to change your breath, simply observe it without judgment. You can also practice mindfulness during everyday activities, such as eating, showering, or washing dishes. Instead of letting your mind wander, bring your full attention to the task at hand. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently guide your attention back to the present moment. With time and practice, you'll find it easier to stay grounded and present, even in the midst of chaos. So there you have it, 10 simple yet powerful healthy lifestyle hacks that can transform your well-being. From whipping up easy healthy meals to mastering the art of restful sleep, these hacks are designed to fit seamlessly into your busy life. Remember, prioritizing your health is not selfish, it's an act of self-love. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can unlock a world of benefits, including increased energy levels, improved mood, reduced stress, and a stronger immune system. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite healthy lifestyle hacks? Share your tips in the comments below and let's inspire each other on this journey to wellness. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Together, we can live our healthiest lives.